Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Noe checking in at Vices to break down our new seller consignment portal today and show you just how easy and efficient it is to now consign and make money at Vices. We're gonna break down our all new system and show you just how simple of a process it is. Let's take a look. Step 1, go to sell.vicesltd.com. This will bring you to our sign up page where you can create a new account if you've never consigned with us before. If you have consigned with us before, click already have an account and use the email that you have on file with Vices. From there, you'll click forgot password and it'll send you a password link to your email to establish your account. Now that you've signed up, it's time to sell your items. Simply click sell and search for your items the same way you would on the StockX app. Once you find the item or items that you're looking to sell, click on the item, click sell, and start inputting the information such as size, condition, and the price you would like us to sell the item for. Once done, click create to submit your item. We automatically get that notification and you can bring in your items to drop off for authentication and consignment. Now your items are up for sale. From your seller profile, you can monitor the status of any of your inventory 24/7 by going to your account and clicking the inventory section. You can see live status on your items such as pending, withdrawn, available payouts for items that have sold, as well as active status for items that have not yet sold in our store. Once an item sells, you'll receive an email notification letting you know. You have the option between an electronic payout, similar to StockX, or a paper check. And just like that, selling has been made easier at Vices. You can monitor and manage your consignment 24/7 online. No more paperwork, no more hassle. We'll see you down at the shop.